Alright, guys, welcome to my stream. Kindly subscribe if you are watching me for the first time. Yes, subscribe to the channel, share the stream, and like. So today we are going to analyze like yesterday that we analyzed. Today we are going to get some new pairs we analyze. Yes. So kindly subscribe to the channel, share the stream also. So we are going to look at derivative trading view. Make sure you have subbed the channel so that you learn. Yeah. So it's clear. Let me see what I saved yesterday. Yeah. Oh, if it is still, so we shall look at another pair. We shall look at another pair here. Let's see. Today is Saturday, so the market is closed. So let's look at another pair. So you have to trade a pair that you see where there's a setup. Like here, we are able to see some setups here. Yes, we are able to see a setup. Now, how do we begin? Begin from the higher time frame, which is 24 hours time frame. This is it. 24 hours time frame. What we are seeing here is that the market has been trending down. The market has been trending down. Now, what do we look in such a trend? In such a trend, we look for sales. So this is it. So this is all we are seeing here. It's so we shall look for sales majorly from here. If you are to draw our trend line, then it's going to be like this. So this is what our trend line is going to be looking like. Yeah. So we look for sales in such a trend. We look for sales in such a trend. After us identifying that this is our trend, which is a downtrend already, which is a downtrend. So we are majorly going to look for sales. Now you have to draw your trend lines. So it depends on the strategy you use. Our trend line can be drawn like this. That is what our trend line will be looking like. You don't need to force the trend line to touch where it is not supposed to touch. So you don't need to force it. So this is what we are able to see, such a trend line. How many touches are we able to see? We are able to see one touch already. Also just only, but it's not every pair that you need to trade. It's not every pair that you need to trade. If it has failed like this, the trend line is not even coming through. So you have to leave this pair. Let's check on other pairs. Let's check on other pairs. Let's see volatility one. Here we can be able to look, we can be able to draw our trend lines or our demand and supply zones. So I'm looking for a good setup. We analyze a good setup. Yes, so we are going to take this trade. We are going to take this trade here. Like the stream and subscribe to my channel. So let's use demand here. Let's use demand here. Or which pair do you guys want me to analyze in volatility? Let's look for demand and supply zones. It's zones. Demand zones are areas where we buy from. These are the areas we buy from. So we can draw this here. So that is our demand. Now we have to draw our supply also, which is right here. Now I'm going to show you guys how to trade all this, how to trade demand and supply. This is our demand, this is our supply. So what do we do? From demand we buy, from the supply we sell. So let's wait for it to tap into the supply zone and we sell. This is it. This is what we are majorly going to wait for. Tap and then we can be able to come back down, which can we drop. But this is not the case here. That is not the case here. What we are waiting for is if it breaks this, then we shall look for buys. And this is what we are majorly going to look for. But all we are seeing here is simply we are able to see this area. We are seeing such taps, such. Meaning if it comes back here, we are looking for sales, nothing else. If it comes back up here, then we shall look for sale. You see this? This is like it is going to be the fifth touch now. This is the fourth touch here, which we sold. If we were to sell here, we could have made profit. Now this is the first touch of the demand. First touch of the demand, we don't buy or we don't sell. We don't buy majorly. So this is it. If we were to buy, you see this a push or a pullback here. This pullback, what does it mean? This means it's a zone that is. This is a zone that once it comes back, we shall see how it plays out here. But right here away, we are waiting for a tap into this, and then we can be able to drop. That is all we are waiting for. Let's go lower again to 4 hours time frame. We see. So this is it, as I told you guys. Are you seeing this zone here? So what we are simply going to wait from this zone is a tap back or a pull back here. Let's wait for a pullback, then we can be able to buy. Yes, let's wait for a pullback here and we are able to buy. Even this is a zone also. This is another zone that we shall be able to see once we go lower. That is another zone that we shall be able to see. This can happen also. A pullback to this zone and then we can be able to buy. All that is the same. What you see from the higher time frame is what you will see from the lower time frame. So this is it. We saw in the higher time frame we were going to look for buys still. Here now at 4 hours we are looking for buys still. So let's check 1 hour. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream and share. Sub to the channel, like the stream and share. Are you guys seeing this? This is a zone. This is a strong zone. You see from this level here, this level, we can be able to draw also this. So we can be able to draw this zone. That is what I said, it's a strong zone. This is a strong zone. You see the market is pulling back or the market is retracing to the entry. This is simply going to be our entries right here. Then we can be able to buy. So let's go lower again. We see at 15 minutes. If that is the same case, so this is it, but we are able to see another zone. The market is on, so nothing changes from here. Let's wait for this zone here to be mitigated. So we shall long buy here or we shall long. This is what we are going to wait for. Target this. 19 pips is not bad. 19 pips is not bad. So let's wait for that to happen and then we can be able to buy. That is what we are waiting for. If you are going to watch this or if you are watching, kindly subscribe to my channel. So what are we targeting? We are targeting 18 pips. 18 pips to lose. 19 pips to lose 5 pips. That is not a lot. That is a good risk to reward. It's a good risk to reward. So It's not bad. So let's wait for it to play out. Let it play out, then we shall see. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Sub to the channel and like the stream. Only one like, guys. I'm seeing only one like from the for the stream. Kindly tap on the video or the like button. Subscribe also. Let's wait for the market to play out and then we are good to go. We are seeing also this gap here. This gap needs to be filled, meaning we are waiting for a pullback and then we can be able to buy, targeting this, the high, above the high. So that is going to be our target right there. That is our target right there. Which pair is this? This is volatility 50. We are trading volatility 50. 50 index. That is what we are trading now. Volatility 50 index. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Guys, subscribe, like the stream, and share. Subscribe, like the stream, and share. Sub, like the stream, and share. Let me see if there are some comments. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Sub to the channel, like the stream. Sub to the channel and like the stream. Let's wait for a pullback and then we can be able to take our entry. So this area here is our entry. The one you see around here, this is our entry, guys. That is our entry. Sub to the channel, like the stream. Sub to the channel, like the stream. So our yesterday's pair was doing well. Let's see on let's see, that is the trading view. Yeah, I know it's closed, but let's see. Let's check some Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin how it is. Let's see Bitcoin. Guys, subscribe to the channel, please. Subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Sub to my channel and like the stream, please, please, please. Subscribe and like the stream. This is Bitcoin. So let's try to do something here. I'll just look at 1 hour. At 4 hours, I mean. All we are seeing is a trend to the downside. All we are seeing is a trend to the downside, guys. all we are seeing is a trend to the downside. So we are able to see this. Our market is trending down to the downside. So we shall use trend lines, guys. We are going to use trend lines here. I don't know why the stream is lagging. My network. So this is it. Simply we are going to draw trend lines here. This is our high now. This is the high of the market. This guys. Yes, it's the previous high. So the recent high, where is it? Recent high is this. This is our recent high, and then this is our recent low. That is how we mark them out. Oh, this is our recent low. So let's simply draw our trend line here. Our trend line can be able to cover that. You don't need to force how to draw or force drawing trend lines. You don't need to force drawing a trend line. If it doesn't fit, change it and look for another side to draw it. So this is it. Let's see. Yes, as we all know, crypto is dropping. All the crypto pairs are dropping. So this is Bitcoin that we are going to analyze right now. It's what we are analyzing. We are seeing a downtrend here. We are seeing a downtrend. So what are we going to look for in a downtrend? We are going to look for sales. Simply, we look for sales. But this market, I don't think it will pull back. Why? Why do I say so? We are seeing all this. It has been here, ranging here, ranging here. So these are the ranging markets. And I don't expect you guys to be trading a ranging market. This is a ranging market here, right here. All this is ranging, all this. So a ranging market is where you don't see any movement. The market is neither going down nor up. So this is what I mean by it. You see these areas here. Before it makes a move, it first ranges, it ranges, it ranges. So that is all is happening here. All that is what is happening right here. All this is what is happening here. Guys, I first be checking on my stream and I see how it is doing. If there are questions, then I'll be able to answer them. Yes. So as I was saying, this is a ranging market and I don't expect you guys to trade in. Now, if you have to wait for this to happen, then we shall be continue our sales. We have to just wait for a pullback here, a pullback to the zone, to this trend line zone here. Then we are going to target this. And this is a 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. So it's what we are waiting for here. We are waiting for this on a 4 hours time frame. Now let's check on 1 hour. We see what is happening there. 1 hour, if you are to check also, we see ranges. We are able to see ranges. All these are the ranges that are happening. Now after a range, we are able to see a pull to the upside or to the downside. We are able to see one or two confluences happening, and this is what I mean by it. You see there was a range here, was ranging here, and we saw a push to the upside. Here's a range, we saw a push to the downside. Then here there was no range, we pushed up, made a range, we pulled down, made a range. So what are we expecting? We are expecting a touch here, and that is why I said we are waiting for this. That is why I said we are waiting for this area here. for a pullback, and then we are going to be able to sell. Meaning we shall target this zone. Let me see how many pips are this. If you are to short from here, these are 5,000 pips. 5,000 pips, and this is a lot. This is a lot if we are to trade this. But let's be patient, wait for it to make a move, then we shall enter. Now let's check on 15 minutes. This is where we get our entries from. This is where we get our entries from. So as you see, as I was saying, this was ranging in the higher time frame. There was some ranging in the higher time frame. Once it came here, we made a pull to the downside, which we sold here from this area. We are making a range here, so we are simply going to push back up, target this, and then we pull back down, because this is a downtrend we are trading here. All this is a downtrend. So this is what we shall wait for. This is our zone, or this is our area that we are waiting for. This is our zone here. Yeah, so that is a zone that we shall be waiting for. A pull back here, then we shall sell. And that is what I'm seeing on gold. Now let's take the trade. Yes, so let's take the trade. This is 15 minutes time frame. That is it, guys. This is what we are going to wait for. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream, guys. I'm seeing only one like, guys. Simply subscribe to my channel kindly, guys. Subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel. This is our trade that we are going to wait for. This is it. Let's wait for a pullback here, and then we shall sell. A pullback and we sell. Simply that. Yes, guys. Do the needful, please. Do the needful, please. So now we have analyzed two pairs. This is volatility and the other one. Guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the stream, please. Subscribe to my channel and like the stream. Subscribe to my channel and like the stream. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. So far, we have analyzed two pairs. That is volatility 50 and BTC. Yes, we have analyzed two, volatility and Bitcoin. Volatility and Bitcoin. We have analyzed two pairs. Two pairs. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream, please. So let me see how the stream is doing. Let me see how the stream is doing. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. So this is that is our trade right now. Let's wait for it to load and we see. Let's wait for it to load and we see. Alright, so it's not bad. It's not bad. I see we are doing well right here. We are doing well. Let me see the quality of it. Yeah. So everything is fine here. Everything is fine here. Everything is fine. Guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the stream, please. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream, please. Tomorrow at the same time we are coming live. Tomorrow at the same time live. So we trade live every night. Every night we trade live. Let's wait for the weekend for the week to end. The market opens and then we shall come back full force. Yes, like the stream and subscribe to my channel, please. So these are our two pairs that we have analyzed. We have analyzed volatility 50. So this is volatility 50 index. We have analyzed also gold, which we have analyzed also Bitcoin, which is BTC USD. These are the two pairs that we have analyzed. As the market is closed, the forex market is closed. So these are the major ones we are going to trade tonight. Major ones we are going to trade tonight. Waiting for a pullback to the zone and then we shall sell. A pullback to the zone and we sell. Simply that. We don't need to do much. Yes, we do small and we. So these are the ranges that we were seeing in 4 hours time frame. These were the ranges that we were seeing. I said we are seeing after a range, we are seeing a move of the market of which is this. We are selling right here. Yes. You see all these gaps here need to be filled. And this is why I put our target as this. It's why I place this as our target because of these zones here that need to be filled. All these are the areas that need to be filled. Now what are we waiting for? We are waiting for the market to pull back to this zone. It either pumps back to the upside. This is what I mean by it. It either after it coming here, it either does this or it breaks this. It breaks this, we make a retest and we continue selling. So all these are the two confluences, all are the two opportunities we are seeing. We are able to see two good opportunities in the market. Two good opportunities in the market. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like the stream, please. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Let's wait for a pullback and then we shall sell from here. Let's wait for a pullback and we sell. Pullback and we sell, guys. Pullback and we sell. Guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. Subscribe to my channel and like the stream. Please, 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 please. Subscribe to my channel and like the stream. So this is the second time we are coming live. So let's try to make it a row. A row that is a marathon, okay? Yeah. Let's try to make a marathon or streaming for the whole week. Today is the second day trading live with you guys and learning something. Today is the second time we are trading live and learning something. Tomorrow again we shall see. If we get the opportunity to come on, then we shall see. Let's see tomorrow. If we get the opportunities, then we shall see. Yes. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Tomorrow again we are coming live to trade and I teach you guys something new. So every single day we analyze, I talk about why we took the trade, all that. So this is our pair we are waiting for. Tomorrow at the same time. Yes, same time tomorrow. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream. I'm about to go off, then we see tomorrow again. Yes, I'm about to go off and then we see tomorrow again. Yes, let's just be patient. Let's patiently wait for it to make a move. Yes, let's patiently wait for it to make a move. We don't need to jump into trades, guys. Now you see, let's say you enter in for sales. What is the market going to do? The market is first going to take you out right here. Your stop loss is here. So the market is first going to take you out and then it drops again. And that is what we don't like trading, or that is what I don't encourage people to do. Yes, I don't encourage anyone to enter from here. Of course, we are seeing this, and this is a fair value gap, meaning we shall first tap on it and then we drop. And that is what is going to happen here. Exactly. So let's patiently wait for it to make a move and then we shall see what to do next. But kindly subscribe to my channel, please. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like the stream. So let me just play non-copyright music here. Let me just play non-copyright music.
You are the one I've been looking for. You are the one I've been waiting for. Searching for that baby, African tasty. I'm the bini mara. You the bini gina. You are the only one I could die for. Baby, African tasty. I'm the bini mara. You the bini gina. You are the only one I could die for. I want you to show them, baby girl, I really love you. I want you to show them, baby, I really love you. You're me puppy, you're me dirty. If you wouldn't, you're taking it, that I love you, my baby. My baby, you're me puppy, you're me dirty. You're me Joe, you go ahead. I love you, my baby, African tasty. I make it bini mara. You take it bini gina. You're the only one I could die for. Baby, African tasty. I make it bini mara. You take it bini gina. You're the only one I could die for. I just got feeling make me lose control. I just got beauty wants to kill me. I just got feeling make me lose control. You are the bestie. Ja, me get bini mara. You take it bini gina. You're the only one I could die for. Hang up your arm, I'm up, beat it. Yeah, I'm not in my team, I want you to show them. Baby girl, I really love you. Hang up your arm, I'm up, beat it. Yeah, I'm not in my team, I want you to show them. Baby, I really love you. You're my puppy, you're my dirty. If you would, you take care of it, you're that I love you, my baby. My baby, you're my puppy, you're my dirty. You're my jewel, you're my baby. I love you, my baby. Baby, African bestie, and me get bini mara. You take it bini gina. You're the only one I could die for. Baby, African bestie, and me get bini mara. You take it bini gina. You're the only one I could die for. I just got feeling make me lose control. I just got beauty wants to kill me. I just got feeling make me lose control. I just got beauty wanted to
Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Tomorrow at the same time, the same place. You need to know and know what's going on. In the street too. So this market, let's just give it time and it makes a move here. If you are going to watch this or if you are watching this, so kindly subscribe to my channel, please. Let's wait for the market to make a move and then we shall enter, but not right now. Yes. Let's wait for the market to make a move, then we shall see what it has for us. So these are the two pairs that we have analyzed. There's Bitcoin, yes, which is BTC USD. Then there's Deriv 50 index volatility. So these are the two major pairs we have analyzed right now. More at the same time, same place. Yes. Guys, simply kindly subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow we are trading live again, trading and learning at the same time. So that is what I do here. Yes. I explain why I took the trade and why we got stopped out, why we got a stop loss. Yes, all that is what I explained here. So kindly subscribe to my channel and like the stream. And I will see you guys in the next stream.